pupunta eh. So nakita ko na, maraming tao doon. Doon ako.
Oh, I just follow that.
Pero nakaka-marunong naman ako.
Yeah, I mean, the fact that you're here, that's a good sign. That means you can do it 10 more times.
Yay! Problem lang, I just got lost. Kasi parang ang steep na lang yun, ayaw ko pumunta.
Yeah, may mga parts na scary eh.
I didn't get scared.
I'll go other way na lang.
You know what?
I crossed that way.
You know
Pero
what?
kala ko doon, kasi maraming tao doon eh. Kasi less steep.
You have to avoid the right side. Hindi, mamaya yata yung right side eh.
Ito yung, sakto lang.
Ito, medyo balance. Kasi one will go steep and then shallow. Yung isa naman, shallow and then steep. Itong left and right. Pero dyan,
nakita ko
mas steep yung nandito.
Can you stop throwing snowballs at me?
Yeah, really don't do that.
I will throw a bigger one at you.
We need to stay as dry as possible. Para we don't feel cold.
I feel so hot.
Numb na yung kamay ko doon sa taas eh. Kasi wala akong gloves. Hindi ako nakalagay.
Kanina.
Pag akit, kasi parang ayaw ko
And then nagsuot ka na lang when you got off.
Kasi parang ako na baka kung nalagay ako.
Yeah, malalaglag. Really don't do that. Stop that. Ano suot yung Maverick? Diba ano? Camouflage?
Camo, black, white. Problema lang jamming tao.
Shucks, naiwan si Maverick.
So who cares? Let's go.
How about Chloe? Is Chloe still going?
No. She wasn't going in the first place.
Ah, talaga? So,
Tayo, apat ako pumunta tayo.
okay.
Buti na nakita ko ang kasi loud ng ano.
Yeah. Yun nga, yan talaga purpose ng damit niya. Para lagi ko nakikita.
May maraming nakita na, ay, ito ba yan? Ito ba yan? Yun, akala ko yun yun eh.
Oh yeah, I also thought when I went outside, I also thought Nathan was outside playing GTA again.
When I got this, akala ko teal yung color. Online.
Blue.
Tingin blue. Pero wala na ako magawa.
Si Maverick siguro nag-crash at least 10 times. I don't know where he went. That's the problem.
Nako, malalagot ako kay Aya Mike.
Hindi okay lang. Technically, it's my fault kasi I left there.
Hindi ba siya to? Hindi, no?
Kabang beses ng kaya ko.
Merong app.
Si Mav kasi di marunong.
Did you guys bring your phones with you?
I have my phone.
Does he have his phone?
I don't know.
May app na Slopes which will show you the GPS location ng
Phone.
yung current location mo. And then so like sa slope, you'll know where exactly your friends are.
Pero you have to look at your phone.
Yeah, you have to check from time to time. Like kagaya ngayon, if everybody had it.
The thing is kasi, compared to me and Maverick, si Maverick di mo marunong. Ako medyo kaya ko na.
Pero ano, confident si Maverick kanina eh. So I think
Kaya kung confident ako, pero kahit na masaya ako, okay lang.
I am confident the whole time because I can go the whole way without
Okay,
falling.
well, good for you. You know, this is my first time. Oh, wait.
Oh,
gusto mo ano, we go all the way down
let's go.
and do another round and look for Maverick.
Baka ma-confuse siya, baka wala tayo. Oh, saan? Wala. Kasi I was like, she crashed into me like 2 times. Like, Mav, una na ako ah.
Eh kanina hindi kayo nag-line up agad, di
Hindi,
ba?
nagline up. Hindi kasi, tinawag ako ni mommy. Pinuutas niya ako. Instead, gano'n lang si Achi. Kasi parang si Achi natatakot
I
ka.
wanna go.
Eh, bahala na kami lang. Mag-double ka na lang ba kung gusto mo.
Ah. Okay.
I think that's Mav. Is that? It's going really slow. Never mind, that's not Mav. Yung si Mav, mahulog niya.
Wait. Ito muna.
Oh,
One,
that might
two,
be Maverick.
3.
Is it Maverick?
Huh?
Yung nahulog. I'm just assuming. Basta yung nahuhulog, I'm just looking at the people who's falling. Kasi that's probably not Maverick.
Parang green yan eh, yung nalaglag.
Hindi. Basta parang dark camo, black and white.
Oh, black and white
Saka
eh.
na black and white.
Wait. Not yet.
Yan yung mahirap na nakita, black and white.
Hindi, marami kasi yun eh. Maraming black and white eh.
Pero naka-red yung helmet namin.
Don't move really, please.
Should we go first? I'm scared that
Oh.
she might... Bakit?
We have to go down.
Why?
It's already 3:04. So there's only 16 minutes. Ay, shit, 6 minutes left. We need to do another run. Come on. Let's rush down. Go straight to the left, Riri.
What do you mean?
Straight to the left. We'll ride again. We'll go up again.
Why?
Para 2 rounds. Don't stop na. Go down. Tuloy-tuloy na. Yan. Ganyan lang.
Tanggal ko muna.
Sige, Riri, just go. Pwede.
I'll try my best. I'll just scrape my boot.
Dito, pag ganyan, oh. Tapos pa side.
Pwede dyan?
Pag ganyan. Pero you just go around the post. Just go around the post there.
오나라.
You can try to do it a little bit faster, Riri, if you can.
I'm getting lost. I don't know where I'm going. Back me up. Sit.
Ganyan. Basta ganyan lang. We'll line up agad, ah. When we get down, we line up. Yep. Nice. Okay, go. A bit faster, Riri. Follow Dad. Still do the S. Very good. Okay, I'm ready when you're ready. You go first. Okay, go straight to the line.
We're lining up.
Yup, yup. The three of us together.
Wala na nga pag yan.
Yes. Bago
Kaya ko.
mag-close.
Kaya ko.
High five.
Kaya ko.
Yes.
You know,
See you later.
on the last part, I was supposed to get going down, but I was super
Do you think kaya pa?
Kaya.
Bro,
Basta may
mabilis
line.
ko sa second part na unahan ko na kayo. Pero kakatakot naman yung yung before that. Yung sobrang...
Yeah, may steep. Ito kasi,
I'm not
Ay.
scared.
pinapaano ko lang to eh. Control. Ganyan lang.
Ako bala kung nakasya ako kasi mabilis. Yan yung fun.
Ano siya? Speed run.
Gano'n ka minutes natin? Mga 10 minutes lang.
We should do it.
Yeah, kami, it took us 30 minutes. You probably took half the time. 15 minutes probably.
30 minutes kayo?
Yeah. 20,
I was
25.
able to catch up to you even kung bago.
Yeah.
How many minutes?
Ano lang to? Steady lang.
Oh!
What? I think
Abot
25.
tayo?
We did
Kaya.
5 minutes.
Sure ka?
Yeah, and as long as we get on the lift, we're already
Daddy,
safe.
how many hours does it do?
Tatlo ba tayo? Are we gonna go 3 at a time or like what?
Huh?
3 people at one?
Pwede. I can
Minute lang.
I can stay in the middle para kayo, may tapakan kayo sa paa.
Hindi. Okay.
Safer.
Natatakot ako wala si Maverick. Kasi si Maverick talaga nahirapan mo. Compared to me Kasi ako wala akong pakad. Basta ako.
Si Dit.
Ako dito.
Dit!
Let us leave it.
Takot lang ako kasi. It's
What
really
if
my
we
fault
do
kung
a
nawala siya.
fourth?
Kasi ako yung nag-iwan sa kanya eh.